The guy just told us that this is where Stella got her groove back was recorded, so that's pretty cool. I don't even know, it's closing time and I don't even know if we're gonna get it tomorrow. So hey guys, it's actually Sunday morning and I am still tired because I went to bed like what, after 6 yesterday, and all my friends stayed up all night and I was feeling like I was catching the flu. So I didn't stay up. I took some pills and I went to bed. So I went to bed like 6 and I woke up like what, like 7 this morning and I'm still tired. And yeah, I don't know. Don't ask me why I'm so tired because I don't know. But everybody at work is kind of catching the flu, and then I think my friend who is also Mishka, she had the flu too, and I think she passed it on to me. So I've been having a little bit of flu symptoms since lately. So I don't know. So just in case you guys are wondering where I'm at, I'm in Ochi. My friends, they're professional scuba divers, and yeah, they wanted to go scuba diving today. I wanted to go to the cockpit country, but that didn't work out. So they're going scuba diving today, and because I'm not that good of a swimmer to scuba dive, I can only enjoy this day pass at Couples Resort by sitting on the beach, eating food and sitting on the beach. Mostly sitting on the beach, because I don't know. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys the view that I'm actually sitting in front of, which I kind of enjoy. I'm actually sitting underneath this coconut tree. Me and Bay. Say hi, Bay. So yeah, that's Bay right there. It's a bit invisible, but you get the drift. But yeah, let me show you guys the view that I'm sitting in front of. So this is it. My friends are on that boat right there that's sailing out right now to go scuba diving. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here by myself. Not that I can't go and walk, but I don't feel like it. I'm a bit lazy. So I'm just gonna sit here, Snapchat, and just enjoy the view. And maybe get some sleep. And then some ice cream. So yeah, I'll see you guys later just in case if anything interesting happens. Those birds. So I just ate lunch and now I'm sick as hell. Ugh, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna take a walk, so I'm gonna take you guys. I'm gonna check out the rest of the hotel and tree. So I'm heading to the sauna. Yeah, and to the mineral pool. And there's the beach. It's like a little walking garden with all the trees above. But I have to show you guys the mineral bath. It's like a little falls with mineral water actually coming from a rock. They said I don't know, I'm not feeling so well, so it's hard for me to talk. I might just show you guys instead of even talking, I swear, because this is hard for me right now. Okay, I'll show you guys in a minute.
Every one of them was better than I experienced in Tony.
So this is the view from the pool.
Right. They claim they start at 7:30, but
So this is the mineral water. So it's actually water coming from the rocks, which is so unique. I wish I could actually go and stand right there. But yeah, this is real nice. So if you're a couple and you would like somewhere nice that has a spectacular view and a lot of things to do, you can actually visit Couples Resort. It's actually a really nice resort, and it will be way more fun if you come here as a couple and not as a single person or come without your bae. You know, bring your bae, come to Jamaica. Couples Resort is a beautiful place for you to stay. You can get to see beautiful stuff like this. And actually there's a cave down there, and some little small fishes swimming in the pond right here. So yeah, check it out. Right now. So it's like a massage thing from all angles. Great. Time of the day when we shall leave. We must leave at least. So it's time to go home. But first I should give you guys, I'm right behind you, okay? So but first let me give you guys from this view right here. Alright? This little thing right here. So this is the view from this little gazebo. We were over there at the pool, and then all the sports stuff over there. So yeah, it's time to head back to Kingston. All this beauty I have to say goodbye to. Yeah, but it was really nice spending the day here actually. I did not spend a night. It was just a day pass. So now it's time to head back. I need to get to Kingston so I can prepare for work tomorrow. So it's no fun and games. And that little birdie right there, just floating. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you guys for watching my vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.